Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received Marked by Inked. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so I just received Marked by Inked. I don't know if this is now December, January. I would think so because we're in December. If I'm wrong, I will correct it. If not, this will be December, January's box. And this is a bi-monthly subscription for the tattooed enthusiast. They did just renew my subscription, so I have another 3 boxes, which is now 6 months coming because it's bi-monthly. So let's go ahead and dive into the new box. I'm always so excited to see what is inside, and we're gonna find out right now. Okay, so when you first open up the box, that's what it looks like. They always do put a postcard right here for the featured artist of the month. So this right here is actually a part of the box. So if you do receive this, make sure you remove this from the box. But it says Lady Tiger on it. And you can either save these or you can actually use it as a postcard and drop somebody a line to say, hello, I'm thinking of you. So down inside of this magazine, they will go over the featured artist. That is who is for this particular box, that gorgeous woman right there. And then they'll go over the items that are inside as well. For this one, they do not give you pricing for each individual item, which is okay. Not all boxes do. And then when you first open it up, they have their red tissue paper with their actual seal. And I do love that touch. And then when you open it up, that's what it's going to look like inside. Ooh, I see a skull. I love skulls. You guys don't know, I love skulls. That's why I have some tattooed on me. I have little hidden skulls in some of my tattoos. I love skulls. So let's go ahead and go with the shirt for this month, since that's what I saw right there. And I believe this would have been from the, yes, this is from the actual artist of this month, which is, was it Megan? Yes, her name is Megan. She is beautiful. And I love this shirt. Let's get into this. Now, when you do order, you can tell them if you want a woman's size or a men's size. So this is for either or. You get the same products if you were man or woman, but you would just have a different size shirt or a men's shirt. So that is what this looks like. Look at how cute. So it says, Grit in Glory, Inked. How cute. I love the way that that looks, you guys. I like that design. So here is the shirt for this month. And again, it would have came in the women's size or the men's size. Then you also get the canvas, and I have been collecting these, you guys. And again, I don't know what I'm going to end up doing with all of them, but I do want to put them all together because they're all the same exact size. So for this month, Megan then designed this one, and that is super cute with the different pinks, like a tiger. And that is an actual canvas. So it says Tiger by Megan Canvas, bold and fierce. Here, Megan pulls from her tattoo style strength with a canvas piece that ties bold strokes and a balanced aesthetic, making an instant art classic. That is so cute. So there's that. And then we have another piece in here, and it has the same logo on it. Oh, but that one has different, like hearts in there. Look. And there's a heart right there. Look at it. Okay, so this is Tiny Bandit Candle. And I've never seen a candle, I don't think, in this box, but that's awesome. So this is scent inspired by Megan's love for lavender. I'm glad somebody loves lavender, because I sure as heck don't. Lavender and rose are the only 2 scents that I cannot stand. So this says, for her love of lavender, this Tiny Bandit candle is 100% natural coconut wax blend plus lavender amber essential oils fragrance blend with an exclusive custom design by Megan. These tins are modern, cool, and totally reusable. Yeah, I won't do the lavender. It's amber and lavender, but I do like the 3 little stones. It looks like kind of like an amethyst stone that's in there. That is actually really, really cute. So yeah, it does say infused with amethyst crystals. 15 plus hours of clean burning, made in the USA. So it's really cute. It's just, unfortunately, it's a scent that gives me a migraine. There's nothing I can do about it. So I will pass this to somebody who would actually enjoy it. Okay, so the next item in here says Hustle Butter CBD Luxe HB. Hustle CBD Luxe Butter, natural ingredients, today, tomorrow, forever. So that's what that looks like. And this says this luxurious multi-purpose cream moisturizes, soothes, conditions, and nurtures your skin, providing comfort and restoring vitality. With 500 milligrams of pure CBD and no THC, CBD Luxe works as an anti-inflammatory, skin calming, and muscle comforting cream. That's awesome. So when you open it up, there is a safety seal. So let's remove that. So that seems really cool because especially like if you have any like sore muscles or you're working out or you pull a muscle, it seems like this would be really cool to put on there. That's what it looks like. It looks like a hard consistency, and it is because I'm not even, my finger's not even like going through. I have to push in really, really hard to at least make that much of an indentation. When I hear a butter, I'm thinking like a thick lotion. Not this type of a consistency, but this is more of like an oily consistency, and that's really not my forte. I don't really care for like the oily type because now my whole hand just looks oily. But if you have some sore joints or muscles, I'm sure this would help with that. So there's that product. It kind of has a nice slight scent to it. It's just, like I said, I'm not fond of the greasy type products, and that's what this is. It's like a greasy, yeah, my whole hand is nice and greasy now. I just don't like that. I don't like to be greasy or dirty. So the next product says Woman in the Moon Tatted Tattoo Care Plus Maintenance Balm. There's that. And this says, you have invested good money in a tattoo. Invest a bit more in the care and maintenance. Developed for ink enthusiasts. Immediate pain relief for new tattoos and keeps existing tattoos healthy and vibrant. I wouldn't use this for a new tattoo because I always use Saniderm on my tattoos, and you can't put anything on when you have Saniderm. But to keep them nice and vibrant, I will use it for that. And let's see what this looks like inside. And that's what it, ew. It kind of had a menthol scent to it for a second. That's what it looks like. So let me see. So it's another greasy, like based formula. So it's like, see all that, it's like a greasy base. I don't know if I even want to put this on my skin, to be honest, but that's what it looks like. A nice little few dents on there, but that's just the outside packaging. So there's these 3 things right here. This is Megan's coloring cards. Break out your talent with these 3 tattooed inspired cards, hand drawn by Megan. Made for markers or colored pencils, this is a project for the young and the young at heart. There's some color pages. And that is everything that's included, you guys. Now the shirts, you guys, I might get a hold of them and change it to a men's size, only because I don't know if you noticed, but these are extremely short. And me being as big as I am, there's no way in hell I'm gonna wear a crop top, especially in public. So I think for the remainder of my subscription, I'm going to change it to more of a men's shirt so it'll be long enough so I could actually wear, because some of these shirts are so stinking cute, but they're so short, I'm never going to wear them. So I'm going to get a hold of them and find out. I don't know if this box is panning out to be like worth the cost. You guys let me know if you want me to continue. Like I said, they just renewed my subscription, so I'm going to have at least 3 more boxes coming. But let me know after that if you want me to continue bringing this, because for the price of, this one is pay as you go, 1 box every 2 months is $39.95. So basically $40. I'm getting a shirt that's like too short. All women, I don't think, would want a shirt to be this short, in my own opinion, because I am a woman and I definitely wouldn't want it this short. And then you get a postcard you get a canvas, a little candle, and then 2 products. But every single box, we're getting products like this. So I just don't know if this is actually worth to continue. You guys let me know, comment down below, let me know if you want me to continue this or if I should just kind of put this one on hold for a while. Let me know. If you do want to know more about this box though, I do have a code which is Shecrafty10, which would get you 10% off. And Marked by Inked is a hand-curated, every other month subscription box curated exclusively for the tattooed enthusiast. Marked by Inked is a hand-curated, every other month subscription box curated exclusively for the tattooed enthusiast. Meet your new obsession, the experience. An every other month subscription of 5+ high-valued products celebrating tattoo culture. Each box features a collectible, a limited edition piece of canvas art by a notable tattooed artist, and exclusive apparel from a top tattooed shop. So again, the pay-as-you-go is $39.95, or if you do the 3 boxes at a time like I do, it's $109, and shipping is $6.95 per box. Now on here, it does say you will get a value of $125 or more in every box. So you guys comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this box? Are you with me? Are you disagreeing with me? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.